Hi everyone, this is a quick walkthrough of how to use the Indic LLM Arena. The goal of this platform is simple. We want to evaluate which AI models work best for Indian languages and Indian users using human judgments. To start, please make sure that you log in so that all your previous chats are saved easily and accessible to you. In the main chat page, you're free to ask any prompt or question that you would like. There is no fixed format and you are free to interact in your most natural way. It will be better to imagine a scenario first. In this case, I am someone who wants to plan a weekend trip for my family. So I can enter a prompt like, can you plan a weekend trip for my family? We are traveling from Chennai and we want to keep it under a budget of 15k. When I click enter, I can see responses from two different models. I can read both the outputs and then ask a follow-up question like, I can similarly continue the interaction until I'm satisfied or my need is complete. Then in the end, before closing, I will choose which model's response I liked the most or I was most satisfied with. One thing to ensure is that whenever you want to start asking something else from a different topic, it is always better to first vote for the previous interaction and then start a new chat by clicking on the button. You are also free to interact with any language of your choice. You can ask the same question in a code mixed fashion, like the way we interact on social media or WhatsApp. For example, मैं एक वीकेंड ट्रिप प्लान करना चाहता हूँ, क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Or I can even type in Indian languages directly. To do that, please click on the language button and choose the language of your choice. And then simply start typing. As you can see, I've been typing in English, but the app gives you suggestions in your language of choice. To make things easier, you can also interact with directly speaking. For this, click on the audio button and simply start speaking. क्या आप मेरे परिवार के लिए एक वीकेंड ट्रिप प्लान कर सकते हैं? Please note that your vote is essential. Every vote helps improve the AI systems and ensures that they work well for India. By contributing to the Indic LLM Arena, you are directly helping build safer, better, and India-first AI. Thank you for being part of this effort.